Hey everybody, Pop and Son back here. We forgot to mention out of that first box there was a Twiztid charm, so that made it worthwhile. Yeah, not really, but we're gonna open the other two now, see what we got here. Here, why don't we have Son open one and I'll open one. You want to do yours first or same time? Same time? Alright. 10,000. Oh.
Got the same pen.
Yeah, so did I. So, okay. Well, it looks like we both got a thing to download the Nightmare full album. So it goes without saying we didn't get $10,000, but I got Twiztid Presents. I can't even read it.
Year of the Sword.
Year of the Sword. Okay. So both boxes have the same CD in it. This box has Twiztid Mania in it. So does his. It's not looking too good. And it's got the Don't Play This For Anyone CD in it. And Twiztid charms. So
Why does it say 2015 on it?
It's supposed to be some rare items. So it has the same sticker, the same brochure thing in it that tells us that we're the shit. But I'm not really feeling it. So yeah, pretty much it. On a brighter note, I will say look forward to seeing videos from us, Pop and Son. We gonna be doing videos, Funko Pops. We enjoy collecting, enjoy pop hunting, so we'll be bringing you videos of that.